description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something that definitely is not an instant noodle, but you can find it on the instant noodle aisle. The brand name is yeah, it's hard to pronounce. It's really hard for me to see it. It's such small text. But this is Yorigoongri Tteokguk from South Korea, and it's not ramen, but it's not tteokguk. See, they're like medallions. Look at that. Wow. So that's what I'm doing today. I've seen these on the ramen aisle plenty of times and just never been like, I'll give it a try. But today's the day. I figure why not, right? And then there's a fill line, isn't there? Yeah, there it is. So what we do is that, and then we add this in. Today is October 27th, 2025. I released my new Cup Noodles pumpkin pie today. The one with the, I did it in a pumpkin-shaped bowl. So, actually, I used a pumpkin to make a bowl. So that's exciting. Now it says it only takes 3 minutes. That seems rather short, but we'll see what happens. And I've got a bowl for this, but that bowl might not be big enough. Give it a little stir. Oh. Oops. Come on. It does come with the utensil. There. I don't want the utensil to get steeped in with it, but we'll slap the lid on. And we're already at 2.5 minutes. It's almost done already. That is quick. It said 2 to 3 minutes. I'm going with the full 3. I want it to be done. You know, I don't want it to be like willy-nilly on this. I'm giving it its full entire chance. I'm hoping that's enough. But yeah, it comes with a spoon. Kind of odd, but okay. I would think a larger spoon, something more, would be the logical route. I don't know what flavor this is. Like I said, this is Yorigoongri Cup Tteokguk, and it's what? Semchorong? I don't know. But yeah, this is exciting. Aren't you excited? You feel excited? You need to calm down, take an extra pill. You'll be okay. What's going on? The shutdown continues. Got a good friend of mine who's really freaked out. He's a veteran. He's disabled, and he counts on food stamps for his entire existence. He's got Section 8, and it's just a crummy situation. He's screwed. And I know he's not the only one. If I know somebody that's got that going on and they're like terrified, how many other millions of people? That, and then if they don't renew the Obamacare, then there's going to be, what did they? I think they said 78 million people have that. That's insane. I don't know. If you're looking for a way to incite violence in the public, it seems like, quick, run to the store, buy toilet paper. I don't know. It just seems kind of crazy. But I don't know what's going on in your time frame. I don't know. But this is done according to what it says. And that's not a lot of time, but maybe they've hydrated. But there's what they look like. They're little thin things. Let's give it a try. Oh, they're done. That's not bad. And the broth, it stopped playing music. It's kind of I'd say almost like a creamy chicken kind of deal. I really like the broth. It's almost like a creamy matzo thing going on, to be honest. It's not bad. It's nice. Ooh, and it's hot. My mouth's burning. I mean, not spicy wise, but it burned my mouth. Okay, so I don't think this is big enough, but I really want to use this. So let's add in yeah, that certainly is not going to fit what we got in here. So we'll go about there. And since they don't float, we'll just load a lot on top. This is one of those times that makes it really difficult to get a nice picture because this stuff is so light in color, it matches the bowl or the broth. It really matches the broth very well. I think there's fish going on in here too. I think there's anchovy. Can't remember. I looked. But you'll be able to see it on the review on www.theramenraider.com. That is where you go. I think that looks good. I don't know what you would traditionally add to this. It showed something on it. Let's look. Maybe seaweed? I'm adding scallion. I'm just calling it good with some scallion. Which, I gotta say, scallion has certainly gotten funky looking lately. It's like way too engorged. It's like it's been allowed to go too long before being picked. I don't know what's going on with it, but I'm not thrilled with the scallion that's on the market currently. Let it be known. At least I don't have to deal with mung bean sprouts anymore. I gave up on those. thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is new for the U.S. This is Shin in collaboration with J-Fei, I don't know. This is Shin Ramyun Tom Yum. And I've tried the pack version, of the same thing. There's this one that we're gonna do today, which is soupy, and then in the pack version there's also a stir fry, so it's like broth free. But yeah, that'll be on your next episode of the show. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment in your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.